This week silver started with a week with this bearish candle. A bearish candle movement on a Monday and reaching a support level 37.43. From here, from this area of support, the price has bounced in the next 2 days, and we can see on a Wednesday the price formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance. But it was invalidated with the next candle on a Tuesday. This bearish candle has returned the price down, and the price is currently in between this resistance and the support level. Weekly time frame shows us that we are still currently above this area of resistance 37.43, and the previous week has closed with this bullish candle in invalidation this bearish breakout, and this means also a confirmation of this bullish breakout as a valid one. This is on the weekly time frame, so this is just suggesting further rise in value. Before the price starts to move further up, the price needs to make a bullish breakout above 38.40. 38.40 is this one, 38.40 is this one here, which means a bullish breakout on the daily time frame that needs to be also validated with the next candle. And that means when the bullish breakout happens, the next candle should not return back below this area of support. Like in this example, if we have a bearish breakout, the next candle should not return back above. The price did not move back above this area of resistance with the next candle, which confirms this bearish breakout, and the price dropped it down significantly. This is how the breakout needs to be confirmed. And what we can see currently, the price is in between this area of resistance and support. So how the market will react, this is something that we need to watch. Monthly time frame currently shows us it is a bullish breakout about 37.43. So it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support. It's very important for the price on the monthly time frame. In the next 2 weeks, the price should not go below this area of support and closing the month, because it will not be a bullish breakout, but it means the buyers have a little bit problems going above this area of resistance, and the sellers are pushing the price down from here in this area. So for the daily time frame, let's see how the Monday opens. It's very important to see will it open with a gap or without the gap, and also on the 4-hour time frame we can watch how the market reacts, how the market moves. On the 1-hour time frame it is intraday analysis, and also 4-hour time frame it is intraday analysis to see how the price is behaving and when there is bullish or bearish breakouts. For that, feel free to join the premium analysis, where I share the details with the traders when there is a breakout on the 1-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and the daily time frame, and then they get information where the price is heading. Feel free to check the link below in the description and receive updates during the week. If you are not joining the premium analysis, then you need to wait for the next week on a Saturday to get this analysis like I have done just now. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.